Christina Alligood. Alligood is best known for studies of wood rats and elephants, specifically cases of poor health and reproduction of elephants, as well as environmental enrichment of zoological animals. She works to provide ways that zoos can manage animals in containment and provide an enriched environment, as well as helping to maintain reproduction of endangered species. She did her dissertation in 2007 and continues to publish articles. Her dissertation was called Choice Among Stimuli and Equivalence Classes. Here's the biography of some of the works that I read. I read her dissertation, Applying Behavior Analytic Methodology to the Science and Practice of Environmental Enrichment in Zoos and Aquariums, and Putting the E in Spider, Evolving Trends and Evaluation of Environmental Efficacy in Zoological Settings. I have 4 interview questions that I would like to ask her. Are there large differences between using ABA for humans versus animals? What would you like to see happen in the future for animal enrichment in captivity? What is the most interesting preference assessment outcome you have seen? And what does animal stereotypy look like? Alligood is generally concerned with zoological animal welfare. She most commonly works with elephants and wood rats. She seeks to make sure that their behaviors are not suffering due to their environment. She is also concerned with the reintroduction of captive animals. She works to inform people of animals' behavioral needs that relate to their captive environments. She also is noted as an important researcher of captive breeding. She also provides training to zoo personnel on animal behavior and troubleshoots animal behavior. Currently, there is not much research on functional behavior analysis in captive animals. She is working to increase the amount of research that is done for enrichment of captive animals. She is pushing for evidence-based practices to be used with animals in captivity, but the problem is that zoologists are unable to do this. Animals in other settings have more history of ABA than animals in captivity, and she is trying to help change this by bringing awareness to the research that has been done and by doing her own research.